It's Friday, and you know what that means, don't you? We join in with Sassy Gal Prepping. And the challenge is buying something for your pantry, long term storage for $5 or less. Well, she is an awesome channel. Anyone can join in, and it can be anytime on Friday. And you can do it once in a while or all the time. I'm trying to do it every Friday. It's something easy to do, and best part of all, I can go out and look for things that I need for long-term storage, like this week. Well, go see what Grandma's going to share today. Don't forget to check out the playlist for this wonderful challenge, and don't forget to give Sassy Gal Prepping some love and let her know that Grandma Sandy sent you. Now let's go see what I got.
And here I bought a bunch of toothbrushes. I'm trying to stock up on things that we know we're going to use and need in the future. Toothbrushes is another thing that costs a lot of money in the grocery store and the drugstore. And these toothbrushes cost $1.25 each. That's not bad. They're Colgate toothbrushes, so they're not some off-brand that I've never heard of. And I thought we got a pretty good buy, because I know how expensive they are. Well, I use soft, and so I got these. And my husband doesn't like the soft. He said they're too soft. And the best part of these, they were 2-packs. So I got 4 toothbrushes for $2.50. You can't beat that. And you're probably saying, why do you need that many toothbrushes, Grandma? Well, 2 reasons. One, because when mine wears out or starts looking a little messy looking, I can just throw it away and grab a fresh one out of the drawer. But another reason, when I go to my sister's house, she always has extra toothbrushes, brand new ones. So when guests show up and have forgotten their toothbrushes, she's ready for them. Like me. I'm really bad. I feel like I should go take a couple back when I go visit her next time and put them in the bathroom drawer for anyone else that comes. Or maybe when I come again, they're already waiting for me because I forgot them again. Well, that's what I do. So these were my for my husband. They, of course, were only singles. Oh well, but he wanted medium. He wants hard, but they don't no longer make them, or at least I can't ever find them. So I got him 2 mediums. If I happen to run across any hards, I might pick up 10 of them, just because that's what the guy wants. What he wants, I usually try to find and get for him. We just do the best we can. This was $1. This was. Wait a minute. What did we spend? We spent $1.25 a piece. And another tax. 39 cents for toothbrush tax. Can you believe it? Oh well. And of course I did get a bag. Oh wait a minute. It says bag free 10 cents. I guess I didn't pay any money for the bag. I don't know what that was from. Maybe I took bags in. Anyway, I need to start doing that too. I need to start. I have nothing. It's not like I don't have any empty bags here. And like I said, we're going to try to start saving more money. And you know what I should do? I should find out how much I'm paying for a bag, take the bags in, and then show how much I saved and put it in the savings challenge to show what we waste every year. But if you do it and take those bags in, what you could be saving. Maybe that should be another thing I should be talking about. There is so much waste that I do. People think, oh, you do really great on your savings. No, I do not. I do save a lot, in a way, correct, you are right. But I waste so much money, it's ridiculous. And I really need to get on a challenge to show how much I waste, and when I don't waste it and I save it, put it in that little thing, like it's a pocket jar. Maybe that's what I should do. All the money I save for that week or that month, put it in that jar, and at the end of the month, we can see how much money extra Grandma got on top of the pocket change. Maybe that is what I should be doing. I'm thinking of different ways to run different savings challenges to get myself in the habit of doing better on my budget, my money. Stop wasting so much money. I waste so much I cannot even tell you. It's ridiculous. And I know it doesn't sound like it's only a bag. But if you buy enough bags every month, it's still money. It's still money, just like pocket change. It's just pocket change. Oh, and when I find money on the ground, I pick it up now for the pocket change jar. I am just going to start getting that jar fuller and fuller every month. I've got to start thinking of what I could do. Guys, leave me in the comment section little things that you think we could probably waste money on every week or month. What I could maybe save, and leave it in the comment section. If it's something I do use or do, bad behaviors, I might try to see if I can break some of those bad behaviors. Even if it's only once a month or once every 3 months. Isn't that I won't buy bags still, but even if I could just stop using it every single time, it's still a savings. Yep, I need to think about that. Well, I hope you enjoyed the shout out today, and please go check out all the awesome channels that joined in on this challenge.